Hello and welcome to another 3xLOGIC INFINIAS access control how-to video. Today we are going to take a look at one of the two available mobile applications that 3xLOGIC offers for INFINIAS. Today we're going to take a look at mobile credentials, so let's get right into it. We are going to take a look at it today on my iPhone. It is available in both the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store, depending on what flavor of device that you're using. The mobile credentials is an alternative to a physical card or a fob. It does not require a reader. It is software based. It is a specific credential that talks directly to the INFINIAS software. So what that means is that as long as you have a cellular or a Wi-Fi connection, then you can present your badge to unlock the door because your phone is your badge. So two-factor authentication to be able to unlock the phone, to be able to get into the app, and then you have to select your door. Some other really cool features of the mobile application is going to be the geofencing. So if you want to set up to be between 12 feet or more away from the door to be able to present your badge, obviously you can do that inside the INFINIAS software. It will follow all of the same permissions that the user is programmed to have, whether they have a mobile credential, a physical credential, or some other type of role inside the software. So besides the fact, of course, it will list all of the doors that you have access to. It will show you your default doors that you have. It will also show you all of your doors that you have available. And all you have to do is just click on it and select the door. As long as you have the correct permissions at that time to be able to unlock the door, it will unlock the door for you. This is a one-time credential, just like a physical card or a fob. If you lose it, it does need to be replaced. If you get a new device, it would need a new credential. You can talk to both our inside sales department as well as our RSM department. They can provide you with all of the packages and pricing that we offer for the mobile credentials. The other nice feature is, of course, the ability to activate virtual buttons. Virtual buttons are super cool because they act just like a physical button, just in a virtual environment. So if I wanted to set up a global lockdown or a global unlock scenario, I can do that with just a touch of a button on my cellular device or my tablet if I wanted to load this on a tablet. The other neat feature of the mobile credentials is it does have watch support from both Apple Watch and Google Watch. So if I wanted to use the virtual buttons or the physical buttons on my watch, I can do that as well. And then last but not least, we do have notification settings that are built into the software. So I can send push notifications if I'm an admin or an administrator and I want to notify all of my mobile credential users. Maybe a door is being locked and that they need to use a different door. You can send out notifications to all your mobile credential users and be able to provide that. If you'd like more information, check out our website. We do have a brand new RSM sales map that has all of our RSMs listed, as well as our inside sales department phone number for you to contact to get more information about mobile credentials or the mobile credentials packs. That concludes this video. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to sharing more INFINIAS tips soon.